In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Stable Diffusion to generate images with simple text prompts using AI. So let's get started. Alright, so the first method is entirely free by using Hugging Face open source Stable Diffusion model. Simply click on the link below to land on this page and start generating the images. Let's try one sample prompt and see how it generates image. So I will be using this prompt. If you are interested in different style prompts, I will make sure to provide a link below where you can find various prompts to generate images in different styles. Honestly, the quality of the output with Hugging Face is not great, but don't worry, in the next method I will show you a tool which can generate great quality output than Hugging Face. Let's try one more prompt. Well, again, the quality of the output is really crap. Obviously, you can't expect much with a free tool like this. So the next tool is Dream Studio, but it's not completely free. If you sign up using the link below, you will get 25 free credits, which will allow you to generate 125 images absolutely for free. Now, you can purchase the credits if you like the image quality of the tool. So for $10, we'll get you 1000 credits to generate 5000 images, which is not bad. Considering the quality of the images this tool offers is value for money. Let's try simple prompt that we used before. As you can see, the quality of the image output is really great compared to Hugging Face. Let's try one more prompt. There you go, much more detailed and less distorted than Hugging Face. I really like the output of Dream Studio compared to Hugging Face. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below.